If you want the highest quality audio from ElevenLabs, there are a few simple settings and workflow tweaks that can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll show you how to get cleaner, more natural, and more professional sounding output step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Let's get into it. First, if you already generated audio in ElevenLabs, don't just download the default MP3 and call it a day. Go to your History tab inside your dashboard and find the audio clip you want to save. Open it, then click the download icon. Here's the important part. Choose WAV or FLAC if those formats are available. These are uncompressed or lossless options, which means you preserve the most detail and avoid the quality loss that comes with heavily compressed files. If you need more options, click Advanced, where you may see higher bitrate MP3 choices or formats like M4A. In general, the less compression, the better the final sound will be, especially if you plan to edit the audio later in another program. Next, if you're creating a custom voice with voice design, the prompt itself matters more than most people think. ElevenLabs responds to quality cues in your description, so don't be vague. Instead of just saying realistic voice, add specific terms like studio quality recording, broadcast quality, or perfect audio quality. These phrases help guide the model toward a cleaner, more polished result with fewer artifacts and a more premium microphone-like character. Think of it like giving the model a target sound before it generates anything. Now let's talk about the advanced voice sliders, because this is where you can really fine-tune the result. Open the voice settings panel and look for Stability, Similarity Boost, and Style Exaggeration. For stability, a good starting range is around 0.4 to 0.7. Lower values usually create more natural human inflection, which is great if you want the voice to sound expressive and alive. But if you drop it too low, especially below 0.2, you may start hearing glitches or unstable delivery. For similarity boost, keep it at 0.75 or higher if you want the voice to stay crisp and true to its original character. If you're working from a source file that has background hiss or unwanted noise, lowering it a little can sometimes help reduce that problem, but don't overdo it. For style exaggeration, the best advice is to keep it near zero unless you specifically want dramatic acting or a highly stylized performance. The more you push that setting, the more likely you are to lose stability and naturalness. Finally, if you're using this ElevenLabs V3, you can improve realism even more by using context tags directly in your script. Add simple performance cues like whispers, sighs, or giggles right into the text. These tags can help blend emotion into the delivery without creating weird distortions or cracking. When paired with creative or natural stability settings, the model can also handle pauses and breathing more naturally, which makes the voice sound less robotic and more human. So the real formula is simple. Download lossless files when you can, write smarter voice prompts, use the sliders carefully, and guide V3 with context tags. If you follow those steps, you'll get much better audio from ElevenLabs and a more professional result every time. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.